So look all the way down, and then you can pretty much just go down. And as long as you can see sort of a bit forward to where you want to land, but not too much, it should work. I have two courses, ocean engineering and rainforest engineering, and in both those classes we have drone projects, and we compete in big competitions. So right now we're competing in the Rainforest X Prize.
Yeah, there we go.
So the current X Prize is to map the biodiversity of rainforests, which is like really hard. Nobody knows how to do it. But it gave us all these topics. So we've got students doing machine learning, trying to identify images, trying to identify good quality images, so we can use iNaturalist to have people help us identify images. We're trying to fly drones in forests like this, dense forest, which nobody really does. We're trying to do it with just students, ordinary people, not drone experts. And so we have all sorts of crazy stuff going on in that regard. And it's been a great way to get students engaged, make them excited, and it helps get financial support.
A little closer.
Oh my goodness.
A little closer than it should be.
Duke Forest is the only place that we're allowed to fly drones experimentally on Duke's property. And since part of all of our events so far have involved some pretty experimental drones that we build, it's been great to be able to come out here and do experimental stuff and not have to worry about other people being here. So Duke has a drone committee, and to allow students to fly on campus, they required that we form a club, the AMA Club, Academy of Model Aeronautics, and that we qualify sites. And we sometimes can fly on fields, but they only let us do the really wild stuff in the forest. And for this flying, when we're going to fly, and also for flying it in trees, we need the woods. And so the tower site that we've just recently gotten permission to use and been trained on is a reasonable facsimile for a rainforest.
Sure did.
And so we'll have a student up the tower looking at the drone, so we're legal, so we can not flying beyond line of sight, and we'll be flying down into the hardwood forest with leaves on them.